Transformer 20 bits part 1. First question, which of the following does not change in a transformer? A. Current, B. Voltage, C. Frequency, D. All of the above. The answer is frequency. Answer C. In India, frequency 50 Hz, the wave like a sine wave. Next question, in a transformer, the energy is conveyed from primary to secondary. A. By the flux, B. Through air, C. Through cooling coil, D. None of the above. Answer is A. By the flux. Primary to secondary, the energy transfer by the flux. A transformer core is laminated to A. Reduce hysteresis losses, B. Reduced eddy current losses, C. Reduced Cooper's losses, D. Reduced all the above losses. Answer B. Reduced eddy current losses. Eddy current means loop of the current is nothing but eddy current. The degree of mechanical vibrations produced by the laminations of a transformer depends on thickness of clamping, gauge of laminations, size of laminations, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Thickness of clamping, gauge of lamination, size of laminations. Next question. The path of a magnetic flux in a transformer should have A. High resistance, B. High reluctance, C. Low resistance, D. Low reluctance. Answer D. Low reluctance. The efficiency of a transformer will be maximum when A. Cooper losses equal to hysteresis losses, B. Hysteresis losses equal to eddy current losses, C. Eddy current losses equal to Cooper losses, D. Cooper losses equal to ion losses. Answer is D. Cooper losses equal to ion losses. Next question. The purpose of providing an iron core in a transformer is to provide supporting to windings, reduce hysteresis losses, decrease the reluctance of the magnetic path, reduced eddy current losses. Answer C. Decrease the reluctance of the magnetic path. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of transformer installation? A. Conservator, B. Breather, C. Buchholz relay, D. Exister. Answer D. Exciters. Next question. Will the conducting short circuit test on a transformer? The following side is short circuited. A. High voltage side, B. Low voltage side, C. Primary side, D. Secondary side. Answer B. Low voltage side. In the transformer, following winding have got more cross section area. A. Low voltage winding, B. High voltage winding, C. Primary winding, D. Secondary winding. The answer is A. Low voltage winding. A transformer transforms A. Voltage, B. Current, C. Power, D. Frequency. The answer is C. Power. V1 I1 equal to V2 I2. Which winding in a transformer have more number of turns? Low voltage winding, high voltage winding, primary winding, secondary winding. The answer is B. High voltage winding. A common method of cooling a power transformer is natural air cooling, B. air blast cooling, C. oil cooling, D. any of the above. Answer is C. oil cooling. Next question. In a transformer, routine efficiency depends upon A. supply frequency, B. load current, C. power factor of load, D. both B and C. Answer is D. load current and power factor of the load. Next question. The power transformer is a constant voltage device, current device, power device, main flux device. D. main flux device. Two transformers operation in a parallel will share the load depends upon their A. leakage reactancy, B. per unit per impedance, C. efficiency, D. ratings. Answer B. per unit impedance. Next question. In a transformer, the tappings are generally provided on primary side, secondary side, low voltage side, high voltage side. Answer C. low voltage side. The chemical uses in breathers is silica sand, sodium chloride, silica gel. Answer is D. silica gel. Next question. The transformer ratings are usually expressed in terms of voltage, amperes, kW, kilowatts, and kVA. The answer is D. kVA. Next question. The leakage flux in a transformer depends upon load current and voltage, load current, voltage and frequency, load current, voltage, frequency and the power factor. The answer A. load current only. Thank you for the watching.